tried to be good to you through all the things we went through in each of our lives. Yeah, I tried to keep from losing focus. I pushed you, pulled, and we broke it. Can't say we never tried. Now what do you say when it's gone? No more going insane, holding on. Now what do you say when it's gone? I'm letting go of the pain and moving on. Now I remember, girl, I can be alright without you by my side. Oh, girl, you can be okay as we travel our own ways in this life. Oh, now I remember. Yeah, I tried to be more understanding, give a little on things you demanded. It wasn't enough. You tried to make time, but I wouldn't. You tried to get me, but you couldn't. See where I'm coming from. Now what do you say when it's gone? No more going insane.